Bishop Renato Elmedo, our respected school president, Mr. Gabriel Elmedo, our beloved school directress, Dr. Maria Ruby Elmedo, our senior high school principal, Mr. Alan Mauricio, our junior high school principal, Mr. Norbert David, to our respected guest speaker, Attorney Christian Magsino, and to all students, parents, teachers, staff, and administrators. Thank you to all the loved ones who have taken the time to be here for today's significant occasion. We are deeply grateful for each of you. Today, we gather not only to celebrate the end of the school year, but also to commemorate graduation, a milestone that reflects years of effort, perseverance, and growth. As we close one chapter and prepare to open another, I am reminded of a verse that resonates deeply with this moment. Philippians chapter 3, verse 14. I press on toward the goal to win the prize, for which God has called me heavenward in Christ Jesus. This verse reminds us that no matter where we start, what truly matters is our dedication to keep on moving forward toward our goals. And that's precisely what my story is about. I stand before you today not as someone who was always at the top of the class, but as someone who started as an average student, perhaps even less than average. I struggled from the very beginning during my nearly 14 years at this school. From my early years until grade 8, I didn't fully grasp the importance of academics. Honestly, I struggled with reading back then. I stuttered, read slowly, and I even received blank grades. A reminder that I wasn't meeting my potential. Then, in grade 9, something changed. I had a classmate who was not only consistent, but also focused, determined, and incredibly hardworking. He took his studies seriously, and as a result, he achieved high honors. Watching him excel made me think, if he can do it, I can do it too. That moment became my turning point. I promised myself that I would also strive for high honors. In grade 10, I started off rough. I tried different study methods to find what worked for me, but I didn't let that discourage me. I kept going, like a pineapple, tough and spiky on the outside, but sweet and golden on the inside. We all have something good within us. Sometimes it just takes time to find it, but as long as we don't give up. I dedicated myself fully to my academics by limiting distractions and staying focused. Despite the challenges, I kept pushing forward. In grade 10, I reached high honors. And now, as I stand before you as a grade 12 student, I am proud to have earned the highest honor in our class. But I am not standing here just as a student. I am standing here as a symbol of what's possible. A symbol that no matter where you begin, whether you're unsure, struggling, or even overlooked, if you stay committed and never give up, you can achieve something great. This recognition is not solely mine. It is a tribute to my teachers, classmates, parents, and most importantly, God. To teachers, thank you Thank you for your patience, guidance, and unwavering support over the years. You have been more than just educators. You have been mentors that helped us shape the way we think, learn, and grow. You provided us the foundation we needed to succeed, and we're forever grateful. To my advisor, I appreciate the life lessons you shared during our devotions at school, even though they lasted only a few days. The message that consistency brings reward has stayed with me, reminding me that steady effort leads to great results. Those brief moments were impactful and have remained with me long after. I would also like to acknowledge my former teachers here at Emmanuel Christian School who have been an integral part of my journey. You are all a part of me. Without you, I would not be who I am today. And I carry your lessons with me always. To my fellow graduates, especially my classmates, thank you for respecting, supporting, and walking this journey alongside me. School would not be the same without you. Your presence reminded me that success is not just about competition. It's also about growing together, lifting each other up, and creating memories that we will carry for the rest of our lives. To my friends, thank you for being my safe space, for the laughs, support, and moments of joy that made this journey lighter and brighter. I'm grateful to have had you by my side. To all the parents and guardians who are here today, thank you for the love, support, and encouragement you have given your children. We are here because you believe in us. Your efforts, often made behind the scenes, have made all of this possible. And to my own parents, Mommy, Daddy, thank you for everything. You sacrificed so much to provide me and my siblings with a quality education. You always prioritize our health, well-being, and future. Even when things were hard, you never gave up on us. And we never gave up on one another. We stuck together through everything, even things, no matter how tough it got. To my siblings, thank you for being my constant companions, my cheerleaders, and my source of strength. I hope I've made you all proud, because I would not be standing here without each of you. Above all, I want to thank God. Lord, you have been my strength, my anchor, and my greatest source of hope throughout this journey. During my struggles, times of tears, moments of joy and accomplishments, I gave my words to you. Through every high and low, your presence has sustained me, and without you, I wouldn't be standing here. The challenges I face has only made this milestone more meaningful, and I'm forever grateful for your presence in my life. So my fellow students, if I can do it, so can you. It doesn't matter where you start. What truly counts is how you finish. Every challenge is an opportunity to grow and move closer to your goals. Dedicate yourselves to your dreams as I have dedicated myself to mine, and pursue them with all your heart. With determination, persistence, and belief in yourself, there is nothing you cannot achieve. Above all, trust God's plan for you. He will guide and strengthen you in every step of your journey. And so, this marks my final farewell to this school. Once again, thank you and congratulations to all. To God be the glory.
Thank you, Sir Tanner, for that wonderful